Hey guys, Josh from Spartan Reptiles, and so this week we're gonna unveil our new snake that we just got and just picked up. The previous video over at the Hidden Moose Lodge was actually the first video, so part one of that series. But before we get on to that, we got to check this out. So what we have here is our pastel Inchi female and our pastel Mojave male. And believe it or not, they've actually been locked up for 2 days straight. And as you can see now, obviously they're not. So good things to come here. Definitely looking forward to this pairing and to see if we can hit that super pastel Mojave Inchi. So what we ended up picking up, we actually bought this male. It's a 2018, and we purchased it from Fred Kick over at Kick's Balls. This is a really big investment for us here at Spartan Reptiles. Definitely probably the most expensive snake, that one single snake that we've ever purchased. So I'm going to go ahead and grab him real quick, and we'll show you a little more about him. So what we picked up is a static. And for everybody in the know, a static, acid, and confusion are all the same. Look at that belly. Ain't that guy just gorgeous? Just a single gene. He's a little shy. But really super excited to be able to jump into this project. It means a lot to us. And we've been looking for something that we really wanted to invest some good money in. And we decided to go with the static acid confusion route. And so, like I said, we picked up a single gene male static. And he's currently right at like 350, as far as 350 grams, excuse me. And he likes to be on camera. He likes to show himself off. So we do got several females that we're actually going to not breed this year, so we're going to save them for her. So our breeding projects for this season have actually changed a little bit, or a lot I should say. And then with any luck, before we start breeding this male, we'll actually bring in a couple more breedable females that we can put with them. So we'll go ahead and get you a little better view of them. And I want to thank you, Fred. I appreciate it for working with us and helping us get into this project. So let's go get a better look. So here's a better look at them. And I love how the bellies come up in this color here, and just come up into the pattern itself. How it kind of bronzes out actually is what it looks like to me. Very interesting and very unique, in my opinion. See if I can get his head to pop out here. Got a nice head stamp. And then what I really love about these guys is just that wicked belly. See if I can get him to calm down a little bit here. So there's a look at his belly. not really cooperating for the video. But I mean, just super excited to get into this gene, and you know, I think we just got some cool projects for it. Lots of future plans, and but yeah, there's our static. He hasn't been cooperating very well during this video, but I got him calmed down a little bit now, so we'll get you a better shot of that belly. And it gives you a better look at his patterns. Love that head stamp. I really like how the pattern fuses together down on the back of the tail. It goes up, creates a dorsal stripe all the way to the tip of the tail. Don't know if you guys can see that, but super excited, and well worth the investment. So there you have it. That was our static male that we just picked up. Like I said, we got it from Fred Kick, and I want to thank you again, Fred. I appreciate it. Really excited to work with the static gene and create some cool combos in the future. And then I got my female lesser platinum here with me. Beautiful girl, ready to go. And actually we were trying to pair her with our cinnamon spider bongo, but he's just not having it. He doesn't even want to try to lock up. He just sits in the corner. But regardless of this, you know, all in all, it's all good. I'm not even worried about it, because if she doesn't go this season, I know who I'm putting with her next season. She's such a beautiful girl. I love her. This is the gene that got me into ball pythons, is the lesser gene. When I first seen the first blue-eyed leucistics, I was just absolutely amazed. And of course back then I couldn't even afford to even think about buying into the lesser project or even buying a blue-eyed leucistic at that time. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Many more to come in the near future. And like I said, we still have our breeding project 2020 video coming up, so stay tuned for that. And again, I appreciate all you guys who stop in and watch. Tell your friends, share the videos, drop a comment down below, hit the notification bell, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. And as always, from here at Spartan Reptiles, keep on herping.